Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study music theory on your own. First, immerse yourself in the foundational elements. Start by understanding the 12 distinct notes of the chromatic scale. Then, delve into intervals, which are the distances between two notes, and learn to recognize common chords like major and minor triads. This initial step is crucial for building a solid understanding of how music is constructed, providing a framework for everything that follows in your independent study. Next, it's vital to apply what you learn and develop your ear. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to ear training exercises, focusing on recognizing intervals and chord qualities. Actively listen to music, trying to identify the scales and chords used in familiar pieces. Playing these concepts on an instrument, even for just 20 minutes a day, will solidify your understanding and connect the theoretical knowledge to practical sound. Once you have a firm grasp of the basics, expand into more advanced topics. Explore harmony, which involves how chords progress, and counterpoint, the art of combining independent melodic lines. Understanding musical form will help you analyze larger structures. Leverage a variety of resources, such as free online courses, comprehensive textbooks, and interactive applications, to guide your learning and provide diverse perspectives on complex ideas. Finally, consistency and creativity are key to long-term success. Aim for a regular study routine, perhaps 3 to 4 times a week, to keep the information fresh. Don't be afraid to experiment by composing short melodies or chord progressions, applying the theory you've learned in a practical, expressive way. Regularly reviewing fundamental concepts will ensure that your knowledge remains strong and continues to grow over your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.